Hi everyone, in this video I want to use Microsoft Word for free. Open your favorite browser, any browser you want. On the search bar type here Microsoft account, then hit enter. First you need to create Microsoft account. Open this first link. Here is sign in, click here. Here we don't have Microsoft account, create other account. Click here, create one. Here enter your email address. Click on next, create a password, click on next. Here open your email address. I want to open my Gmail account. Microsoft sent one code for me. Copy this code or this number, paste here. Click on next. Wait a few moments. Click on next. Use the arrow to robot. Verification is complete. In this step, open other tab. Type here Microsoft Office. Then hit enter. Open this first link. Click on sign in. Click in this arrow. Here we have different apps from Microsoft like Word, Excel, Access. Any of them you want, you can use. We want to use Microsoft Word. Click on Microsoft Word. Here is blank document. Okay, now you can use Microsoft Word, and also you can store this file. Click on file. Here is save as. Click here. Click download a copy. Download a copy. Click here. Click in this download button. We successfully download this document. Guys, I hope you enjoyed from this video. Have a good day. See you soon.